guys, today we are playing Ragdoll Engine. This is such a stupid fun. I will show you. I fall down like this, so funny. Whee! Guys, do you want to see if we pick this smile? Look, I will walk like this. But I need to respawn again. I died. Okay, we are respawn. Still I am walking like this. Let's do again respawn. So hello guys. Guys, thank you for subscribing me. I got 12 subscribers. What is this, spawner? What will happen? There's a car. Let's drive. Let's go fast. Side, everybody, side. Oh, I just fall down. Hey. What is this? A bomb? Can I put him? I can put somebody this bomb. Hey, I just missed. What is this potion? What will happen with this? Let's see. Huh? I am big. Yes, I am big again. I'm big now, guys. Yay. What? I'm small. I need to be big. Why is my tongue like this? Hey, guys, wait a minute. Somebody is... I think it was a call, I think. Wait, guys. The speed is very speed again. Yes. Bro, this is so much fun. What is this? Let's just fall down here. Why my face is rose? Wait. I get it from bugs. I forgot. I get it from my bugs. Oh, I'm wearing a helmet? Wow, this swimming is so cool. Let's go. Ouch! I got hurt. Oh, that was very bad hit. Hey, what is this thing? Let's go. I will have so much fun. This is so much fun. Let's go. What? That was not fun. I just fall down. Guys, this is going to be a little bit funny. Hey! Ouch! My bone. Hey! Ouch! Oh no! I'm get bombed. What? Oh no! What is this? Roblox logo. I got so much hurt. What is this? We can change in here? What? No. What is this? Ouch! I'm a little bit glitched. Oh no! What is this claim? I didn't get anything. Hey, why am I walking like this? I just fall down again. Hello guys. I need to get respawn. I died. Oh yes. I need to get speed boost again. Hello bacon guy. My character is like this. Let's just go. So much fun. No. Oh no! Ouch! That really hurt me. Ouch, guys. Oh no! Oh, what is this? Shiny fish? Oh, I'm walking like this. Let's go. Hey, I need to get blast. Let's respawn again, bro. That was not fun. Let's go here. Huh? I have a bomb. Let's launch. Whee! Ah! I got hurt. What is this? I don't want to do shopping. Bro, shopping is not good. But I buy something. I just buy this face with my Robux. Look at my face. We can morph anything? Let's just morph. I need to get morph. Hey! Ah! I'm a shiny guy. No, I'm this dumb guy. I'm a shiny guy, guys. Look at me. Okay. I died. Ah! What the fuck? Why are you kidding me? Ah! Nothing happened. So bye, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I need till billion subscribers. Please subscribe. Please subscribe.